Good morning, students. Today we will see 8th standard science topic force and pressure. Now we will see introduction of force, effect of force, friction, relationship between force and pressure. You know what is a force? A force is a pull or a push or both. A force cannot be seen, but we can feel and observe the effect of the force. Forces can two types. One is push, another one is pull. A force to move an object away from our bodies. Pull means a pull when we apply a force to move an object towards our body. Combination of push and pull. Playing a guitar, sawing wood, scrubbing the floor, rowing a boat. These are the examples for push and pull. Pull and push are forces. What is force? While pushing, pulling, lifting, hitting anything, we are actually changing the motion of an object. This change in motion requires force. So, we can say that a push or a pull on an object resulting in this motion is called a force. What happens when force interact? If you choose a heavy box and try to push it, the box will not move. Now, if you ask a friend, you help in pushing it in the same direction, it moves. A piece of paper flying in the air is being pushed by the wind. A book moves towards you. When you pull it, a ball begins to roll. When you push it, you can open or close a door if you push or pull it. You already know what is a force. Forces are due to interaction. An interaction of one object on another object results in the forces between the two objects. Example, if a man stands behind a car, the car does not move. But if he pushes the car, he applies force and the car begins to move in the direction of applied force. Now we will see effect of force. First one, change the shape temporarily. Second one, change the shape permanently. Third one, change the direction of a moving object. Fourth one, change the speed of a moving object. Fifth one, stops a moving object or makes a stationary object moves. Next, we will see effects of force. First one, force move an object at rest. Imagine you are on the playground and there is a football in front of you. What will you do to move the ball? The ball at rest moves only when you use force by either pushing or pulling it. Next example, a car. A car at rest moves when the engine provides the necessary force for the car to move. Second one, force can change the speed of a moving object. Application of force on a moving object can either stop it or make it move faster. If the girl applies force on the brake, she can slow down the moving cycle. On the other hand, if the girl applies force in the forward direction, she can make the cycle move faster. Thus, force can change the speed of the cycle. Next one, force changes the direction of motion. The force applied on a moving object can change its direction. When you play badminton, you change the direction of the shuttle by applying force in the opposite direction. Similarly, a tennis player alters the motion of the ball by adjusting the force with the help of racket. A cricketer does the same with the bat. Thus, force applied on a moving object can change its direction. In the above three cases, the state of motion of the object is said to have changed. When an object is at rest, it is said to have zero speed. When we state the speed of an object and its direction of motion, we are describing its state of motion. Fourth one, force can change the shape of an object. Prepare a lump of dough using wheat flour and water. Can you mold it into different shape? You will see how the shape of the dough change when force is applied. This shows the application of force on an object can change its shape. What happens when two forces act on an object? First one, if you applied an object in the equal and opposite force, the object remains stationary and does not move. Second one, when force are applied on an object in the same direction, they add up or sum of the force act on the object. The net force, the total of the two forces acting in the same direction. Third one, forces are applied on the object from opposite direction. The resulting force on the object is difference between the two forces. The net force act in the direction of the larger force. Every force has a numerical value. This value is called magnitude of the force. It is shown by arrows. The difference in the size of the arrows represents different magnitude of the force. Difference in the size of the arrows represent different magnitude of the force. Larger arrow indicates greater magnitude, but smaller arrow indicates less magnitude. Force is measured in Newton. Next we will see types of forces. There are two main types of forces. First one is contact force, second one is non-contact force. What is contact force? Forces exerted by one object on another when they are contact with each other. These are called contact force. There are two types of contact forces. One is muscular force, another one is force of friction. What is muscular force? The force applied by the muscles of our body is called muscular force. Example, walking, lifting or pulling things using this force. These are called muscular forces. Next, force of friction. What is friction? Friction is the force that stops or slow down a moving object. Example, a ball come to rest because of friction between the ground and the ball. These are the example for force of friction. Next type, non-contact force. What is non-contact force? Force exerted by one object on another without any contact with each other. This is called non-contact force. There are three types of non-contact force. First one magnetic force, second one electrostatic force, third one gravitational force. What is magnetic force? The force excreted by a magnet on certain metals is known as magnetic force. Example, magnet attract the iron object. This is the example for magnetic force. Second one, electrostatic force. When a plastic ruler is rubbed against dry air, it acquires electrostatic charge, due to which the ruler is able to pull a strip of paper. This force is known as electrostatic force. Next, last one, gravitational force. Things fall down the earth because the earth pulls them. The invisible force exerted by the earth on all kind of matter is called the force of gravity. Example, gravitational force of the earth keeps the moon revolving around the earth. These are the types of forces.